Welcome to Indoor Greens Mini Golf and Cafe. We are Cary's newest entertainment option, and we are fun for all types of people. With our healthy cafe, we are a great place for business lunches. Stop by for lunch and a quick game of mini golf as a group. Also, Indoor Greens is a great way to hone your putting game during the winter months.
What I like most about it is the turf. It gives you a really great feeling, almost like a natural grass. And then with the challenging undulations that it does create some realistic putts that are very challenging, and does create a real good test of golf for me here putting on the greens.
And you can relax and enjoy some food and drink from our cafe with a nice beer and wine selection. And of course, the kids love the games too. Bring the whole family in for a healthy meal and a couple hours of putting fun. On Tuesdays, kids eat free. Indoor Greens is a great place to have your next big event. We host birthday parties, fundraisers, staff parties, and more. Come to Indoor Greens and see what you've been missing.